it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. Man, I'm so excited today. Like every time that I open something up, I say that I'm excited, but I am seriously super excited about this. I got 3 packages in the mail today, and to be honest, one of them I'm not too worried about because it's standard made, but the other two, it's about to be crazy. Alright guys, I don't know how y'all keep up with my Instagram or if y'all even check out my Instagram, but honestly, if you don't, you should, because then you would know that something really bad happened to my car. So you guys know by now, I have the CPI kit from BMS, which is pushing more fuel through my system, and therefore I'm able to create more power. Well, we got a little greedy with that, and I actually started pushing too much boost to the point where I broke my turbo. So my stock turbo is no more. What actually happened is one of the impellers broke off and I lost all the boost in the middle of a pull. So I was going down the interstate, you know, we had just started to pull. Out of nowhere, I hear a loud whistle. It almost sounded like a supercharger, and then I lost all the boost on my gauges. And that's when I kind of knew that my turbo was gone. But anyway, so that was about a week ago. The next day, I ordered a new turbo. A big boost turbo. That's right, guys. Y'all heard right. I ordered a big boost kit, and I am so excited. This is actually what they consider their stage 4, which is stage 3 hardware turbo, but the manifold's a little bigger and a few other goodies. Thank you so much to Big Boost and Juan over at Big Boost for hooking me up with this hell of a deal for this turbo kit. And honestly, I cannot wait to put this on. Today's a weekday, so we plan on putting my turbo in on maybe a weekend, but yeah, I'm really excited. But let's go ahead and open up the boxes. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh. All right. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open these. Box within the box. Alright, I think this might be the turbo. Master power. Ooh, see this. Oh, here it is. We got some lines, some hardware, some more lines, some clamps, and here's the big boy. Holy crap, this thing is huge. Oh my god. Let's get it out of there. Oh, big boy. Yeah. It's a big boy, alright. Look at that. Oh yeah. You have no idea how excited I am. No idea. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, that was basically the turbo. Let's see what else we got here. This is probably going to be the manifold and the downpipe, I guess. Here's the downpipe. There's the turbo. Here's the manifold. Oh my god, that's heavy. More stuff. Couplers of some sort. And this is the charge pipe. And of course, I opened it on the wrong side. Here, the gasket. Looks pretty durable, if you ask me. And of course, this kit wouldn't be complete. Got some stickers, man. Stickers. Alright, let's rearrange this thing.
Around my way, ay. What you saying, where you at now? I swear that once I leave my city, never coming back down. Wait, taste blowing up around the map now. Real hot summer, keep my cool, I never act out. Ay, yes indeed, recognize what you want, may not be what you need. Won't take control of me, but I got mouths to feed. Hustle smart now, hard to still get it by any means. Please. Never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire, don't check me now. Let's just check some involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God. So next to God, next to God. Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, don't check me now. Let's just check some involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God. Next to God, next to God. Had to get it by myself. Bad decisions had me living down in hell. Paranoia, so I keep it by my belt. Losing sleep, I know this lean won't be no help. Now it's no contest, S on my chest. Whole squad gon' flex, yeah you know that's set. They had mentioned competition, I'm here like what's that? Heard your last 2 tracks, you're not eating all that. Pockets swole on me, since 15 haters been tryna roll on me. Move smarter, no drama, you know homie. Whole team round me, ready on go homie. Yeah you know homie, ay. Never not, never under yard, never.
There's the kit, guys. Big turbo. That's a 6.1/6.4 turbo right there. We have all the supporting stuff really. We have the wastegate, we have the downpipe clamp, some hardware for the pneumatic wastegate. We have the hoses for the oil lines and the coolant lines. I'm not really sure what that is, but I'm sure Matt will figure that out. We have the big ass turbo. We have the intake manifold with the gasket. We have the downpipe. That looks like the other part of the downpipe that goes to the big turbo. Charge pipe and some couplers. There are 2 more parts that are coming in the mail. I can't get over how freaking big this turbo is, guys. Now, this is the full kit. There are actually 2 more parts that are coming that Juan is sending me. One of them is the arm for the intake, and the other one is an electronic boost controller, and that's gonna help a ton. I am doing this with Juan's help and also Terry's help, and the reason is because I decided to keep my back end flash. If you looked at my Instagram a few days ago, I was trying to get rid of it, trying to get rid of my JB4, but I think after talking a lot, and I mean a lot, I've been talking to EuroMpire, been talking to Terry, been talking to Juan. I think the best thing to do is to go ahead and couple this with my CPI, since I'm not really feeling too comfortable with the high pressure fuel pumps just yet. I want to see how they do in the long term, and then I'll decide to jump into that. So yeah, we're gonna do basically Juan's build, but on my car. At least that's the goal. Eventually I'll have to upgrade the rods and pistons, and that'll be a few more grand that I dropped there. Anyways guys, I just wanted to show you guys just a quick few things. EuroMpire is going to be the first shop in the nation to put on the stage 4 kit. This is what they call the stage 4 kit. Essentially the stage 3 with an upgraded manifold and a few other things, like I said at the beginning of the video. And I do believe my 340i will be the 340i in the nation with this kit, this particular kit. At least that's what Juan told me. So yeah, I am super stoked about this. Guys, if you want to see more of this build, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at NoClutchGarage. I post everything about my car there, and honestly, that's where I'm the most active. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for following me on Instagram. Thank you guys for subscribing to YouTube. Honestly, whether you guys know it or not, it's been a huge inspiration and a driver for everything that I'm doing to my car. So, you know, keep coming, keep watching. I'll make sure I keep it interesting for you guys. But without further ado, that has been the unboxing of the Stage 4 Big Boost Kit, and I will see y'all next time when this turbo is getting installed.